Form. Today in Art Vocabulary and Concepts, we'll be discussing art elements. What are the art elements? Line, shape, form, color, texture, value, and space. In the visual arts, the art elements are the tools working together to make great art. What is form? Form is implied or actual. It's three-dimensional, a shape with width, length, and height. Actual form is really three-dimensional. You're able to touch and feel the height, width, length, and the surface of the object. In contrast, implied form is two-dimensional or flat. It can be created using perspective, value, and color changes. Some two-dimensional implied forms include sphere, pyramid, and cube. Three-dimensional real forms are all around us. A two-dimensional flat shape can be turned into implied or real form. A flat triangle into a rectangular prism into a pyramid. A flat square into a cube into real objects. So how can we use form in art? Form is seen in sculptures in carved stone, glass, and other materials. Form is seen in crafts, jewelry making, origami, weaving, ceramics, and more. Two-dimensional implied forms are found in paintings and drawings and graphic design. How does understanding and utilizing form help you to make great art? Finding simple shapes and forms in what you're trying to create helps you build the artwork more easily. Form adds a sense of realism and accuracy to artwork. Understanding and utilizing form is a super cool basic art skill. What will you create using form? Comment below and share. For more content, join us on Bold Soul Whimsy. Like and subscribe.